Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and now we are going to talk about what can we expect with Bitcoin and Ethereum to happen within the next hours or days. So let me show you guys. Let's zoom in here. As you know, we have been trading in this symmetrical triangle, okay? And we broke down of it, okay? And basically, you know, the breakout target of this triangle would be, let me show you, would be roughly about this far down, as you can see here. By the way guys, if you also want to trade, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses, okay? So let me show you guys. Basically the breakout target would be at about $25,400. So, and there's also a huge support zone coming in here, but as you can see right now, the RSI is pretty low. That means it's pretty oversold already. This could mean that we will see a pump to the upside here, okay? And this line here would act as resistance, plus we have this line at about $27,600 also as resistance. This will also act as resistance until we could be really bullish again. Really bullish again, we would have to break up above the level of $28,800. This would be really bullish for us, okay? As you can see here, we have this zone here. We had some wicks and also some hourly closes within this zone. This means that it's really respected as support right now, okay? And as you can see here, we are above this support zone and also above this support line here, okay? And since the RSI is pretty low, we could potentially see a pump to the upside again, okay? So, if not, the next target, I mean, we have this big support zone here in the price range of about $24,900 to $25,200. Also a lot of wicks and hourly closes within this price range here. But let's see. Since the RSI is low, it looks like we could get a move to the upside, okay? And let me show you what is going on with Ethereum. Let's zoom in here. As you can see here, we have been trading within this descending channel right now, and we actually almost to the dollar price, we went down and reached this lower support line, and then we got a pump to the upside from there because as you can see here, the RSI was pretty oversold, and we are basically trading within those two support zones. This support zone, let's say at about $1,700, and the other one above $1,800. To be, let's say, really bullish, we should break above this level or this support zone. But as of right now, we have this price level at about $1,762, and then this next up at $1,816. So if you break above this level, this will act as a little resistance, and this also because this line here has been going on since the end of last year, okay? But as you can see here, with Ethereum, the RSI is in some middle range, and we could basically see a pump to the upside until we reach about $1,785, okay? That's what's going on right now. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.